back to my channel. I am Selena, and today we will be doing fall outfit ideas with a fall lookbook at the end. I will discuss more of my strategies in using what you have in your wardrobe to create a fall outfit. We will be talking about the inspo for our looks. We will be talking about 3 strategies to get fall outfits and getting the most out of your wardrobe. First one we'll be talking about is patterns. Second thing, we'll be talking about layers and accessories. And the third, we will be talking about silhouette. First and foremost, with patterns, this is where you can tailor it to your own style. I like to use inspo. I like to use, honestly, my mood and the weather. I don't know where y'all live right now, but I live in the South. In the morning, it's kind of crispy and nippy. And then by the time it gets 10 a.m., it's getting warm. And then 2 p.m. it's like peak humidity, hotness, and it's around 80 to 85 degrees. So by the time that I'm in the middle of my day, it's time to sweat. But we will be talking about how we can dress appropriately. As far as textures and patterns, again, it really depends on what aesthetic you're going for or what kind of outfit is your style. Talk about inspo. I think of all kinds of movies. I think of Harry Potter. I think of Gilmore Girls. I also think of The Nanny. Some people think of Friends. That's a great transition into today's sponsor of this video. Thank you to Gamsgo for sponsoring this video. I used this website as a way to get more inspiration for fall ideas and watch some of my favorite movies and shows. Gilmore Girls is one of our fall inspirations, really looking for those comfy sweaters, cozy, colorful patterns, that white classic sweater that Lorelai wears, really looking at the weather outside, getting gloomy. With Harry Potter, definitely watched all of those movies. Rewatch Harry Potter, I would say at least every year. It's available on HBO Max. But with Gamsgo, you do get a discount using my code. I'll put that right here. That's also linked in the description box down below. But with Gamsgo, you get to watch all your favorite movies and shows at a discounted price. I definitely appreciate a discount during this time of year. We're saving up for the holidays. We're recovering after the hurricanes that happened this year. And honestly, we're just looking to save money. So thank you again to Gamsgo for sponsoring this video. And please check them out using my discount code. Going on with more of the inspo, I do think of other types of themes. Really with fall, you can go whimsigoth, you could go cottagecore if you wanted to. When we're looking at patterns, I really like flannel. I like plaid. Let me know in the comments down below if you like plaid, but I like plaid. Check out my pants. Hold on. Okay. Also like denim, incorporating that throughout your wardrobe would be perfect for fall. I also like plain solid colors, as you can see. Going for darker colors like burgundy or burnt orange, maroon, wine, olive color. Those really feel like fall to me. Mixing up your patterns and your textures will really help with incorporating more of a fall style. It is getting colder, so we do want to get some of our warmer pieces on. With that said, let's go down into, what did I say? Layers. Layers are the second biggest thing when wearing your fall outfits or when you're creating a fall outfit. Because it gets so cold in the morning, you really want to bundle up, and then you want to have the opportunity to take things off. That sounds inappropriate, but it's not. You want to have the opportunity to take some things off so you don't get too hot. So thinking about what you're wearing as far as your outer layer, I'm thinking cardigan, I'm thinking denim jacket. And then also, depending on where you live, I used to live in Ohio, I would wear a pea coat around this time of year. I will be doing a lookbook at the end. We're just going through what we're going to wear now. Layers can also include like a scarf or any other accessories. I do want to highlight some accessories in my outfits, like my earrings. I really like gold, so using gold throughout my outfits will be more fall to me. I also think it complements my skin tone a bit better than silver. But if you have silver, that's just another way to add to your fall outfit. Thinking about incorporating more of our skirts, long skirts and short skirts, you can still wear those in the fall. We just need to be mindful of what shoes. I do have 3 pairs of shoes that I will be showcasing today, a longer pair of boots, ankle boots, and then my Dr. Scholl's time off sneakers. And lastly, we're thinking about our silhouette. I don't know about you, but I try not to look too baggy all the time. I like to have some sort of fit and flare in there, and that's a way that I could utilize my clothes to continuously fit well. If I'm wearing a baggy shirt, I likely will wear form-fitting jeans or pants. If I wear a form-fitting shirt, I likely pair that with something that flares out, like a skirt, or something that would be a bit baggier, like cargo pants. So those are more so what we're looking for when aiming to style your silhouette. If you are someone that does like baggy things, that's totally fine. Thinking about what you can do to accessorize and still flatter your shape. For example, if you have a belt that you could wear, or if you do the fit and flare like a peplum blouse, or if you do a cardigan and then a belt around, that could also help you kind of give some shape to what you're wearing. It doesn't have to be very slick, sleek, I don't know, your girls are suffocating type of form fitted, but that's what we're looking for today. Now, before we get started with the lookbook, because I won't be talking anymore, let me show you all of the shoes that I will be wearing today. If you saw my unboxing Dr. Scholl's time off sneakers video, can you believe how dirty these are right now? I guess they look better in this light. I wore these on my vacation to Greece, and okay, they look better than I thought, but these are definitely something that I just could pair with anything. But I like it when shoes aren't, you know, bright white, when they have some character on them. But I just think it's funny because I totally did that video 4 months ago, and these definitely have some wear and tear on them. But I mean, that's a good thing. Shoes are meant to be worn, right? Okay, these are pair number 1. Speaking of worn shoes, okay, I don't think I clean these shoes, y'all. So at least y'all know I wear my shoes. I don't just have a smorgasbord of shoes. But these are my ankle boots. These were thrifted. Let me see. This is a size 7. I don't know what brand it is. Oh, White MT, White Mountain. And then lastly, I have these long boots. I feel like everyone has seen these types of boots before. These are the only pair that I have that are long. Guess how much these were at the thrift store? $1. Isn't that insane? That thrift store does not have discounts like that anymore. That was in Ohio, but I've kept these ever since. Let's go ahead and get into the outfits. I'm done talking for now, but thank you so much for getting through the talking part, and let's get into the outfits. This is a warning that I am changing the lighting of this video because I cannot see my closet just with this lighting. So when I showcase the outfits, I'm going to be in a different lighting. Lighting change. Okay, I wanted to show y'all the pieces real quick first, and then we will go into the lookbook. Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe. If you don't, I just appreciate you being here. But I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!